So today we are in Fisherman's Wharf. Behind me is the Delphin Club, and I'm in Fisherman's Wharf. I will try to fly my drone today. Finally, I got my DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I will try to fly to Alcatraz. So let's see if this drone can make it. It's about 2,500 feet to Alcatraz. And it's getting very windy now, and it's starting to rain, but let's try to deploy it and still see if we can make it, all the way to Alcatraz and come back. So let me show you the drone and let me show you how far is Alcatraz. So Alcatraz is all the way there. Let me see if I can zoom it in. And the drone I got the remote, and I got the DJI Mavic 3 Classic with the Hasselblad camera. So today the recording is just gonna be from the remote screen recording, because I want to show you guys all the parameters on the screen, and next time we will take the 4K from the Hasselblad camera from the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. So let's go ahead and deploy it and go all the way to Alcatraz. So all right, the drone is gone, so I will switch for the other camera now. So we are taking off now. We are taking off to the Alcatraz. So on the left side it shows, on the top left side shows normal mode. I'm flying in normal mode, and I'm in flight next to it, and on, yes, this one, it's in flight. And on the bottom left side it shows the map. The green is the map, and next to the map it shows my height and the distance I'm flying. So we are 32 meters up, and we are almost 600 meters from the Fisherman's Wharf. So we can see straight ahead the Alcatraz, and on the right side there is a storage. I still have 1 hour of recording, and we are right on the target. I just changed to sport mode, so I freak out here, guys. So the time, this is the time of flight time. So from 35 minutes it went down to 19 minutes, 18 minutes, 17 minutes. So I freak out, and I changed to normal mode again, and it went back to 35, 36, 37, 38 minutes. So next to it, it shows 94% battery. Over here, it shows 4K 30 frame per second, but I'm not recording in that really. This is from the drone. But what I'm showing you right now, it's remote recording. It's not the drone recording. It's wherever I see on the drone. And this one, I'm again in auto flying. I change on sport mode, and the time from 33 minutes again is dropping so fast. 25, 23, 21. So I switch 18, 17. I don't want to crush my drone, so I change again on for normal mode. So we are approaching Alcatraz. That was really fast because I switched for sport mode. Sport mode is like 5 times faster of the speed of the normal mode, I think. So we can see some construction, we can see some tourists wandering around. And now I will try to go closer to the lighthouse. And again, I'm sorry, this is my first time I'm flying this, and especially on Alcatraz when it's very difficult. I'm so far from the San Francisco, so I didn't want to crash my drone, so I went very close. I tried to zoom it in right now on my remote. Um, there is a lot of boats around, you can see, behind the lighthouse. And when I went closer, there is no light on the lighthouse. I'm not sure why. Normally I see the light during the day, but now there was no light at all. The lighthouse was shut down. So now again I switch on the um, cinematic mode, and it shows that there is some interference, some aircraft in the air. That's why I was flying so low. And also you guys can see some solar panels in the background. And here there is again some construction. I'm not sure what they are building, but there is something going on there. And this is the flag, the pole. I almost hit it. And another thing, the cell house on the roof, the full roof is filled with solar panels. I'm not sure if that's only the one way they get the electricity, but yes, the solar panels in Alcatraz are everywhere. So I'm flying closer to the water tower, and on the back there, that's the powerhouse. On the left side, behind the water tower. And we can see at the end, it's they call it like in the industrial building, and this is the powerhouse with the name of Alcatraz on the rooftop. And this building is called Building 64, the square building, and this is the first building built on Alcatraz. So the building on the left, no, that's the industrial building, but this one where I'm flying down now, it's gonna be in a second, I think. That's the first building built on Alcatraz. When you guys arrive on Alcatraz, that's what you see first. Oh, before we go to this building, this is the I've seen this little island, and I thought that was an island, and I keep flying there, but that was just a rock sticking out from the ocean. So again, I don't want to lose my drone in the ocean, so I was very careful. And here when we go, you can see that's the H, the yellow H. That's where I am, all the way there in San Francisco. That's where I sit with my remote. So this building is the first building was built on Alcatraz, the one with the broken windows. That's the building 64. That's the residential building. It was a residential building. So I just let you watch a little, and I'll stop talking a little so you can enjoy the video. Yes, and right here where my drone about to lose signal. Again, this is my first time, so remote signal was very weak in this point. On the background you guys can see the ferry and dropping off the tourists there, maybe because of the ferry. I don't know why this would happen. If you can leave a comment. But my drone was losing a signal right there, and when the drone loses signal, it will automatically try to come back home. So now the RC was gone. Now when I freaked out, everything disappeared from my screen, and went black and white, and now my drone is going back home. You guys can see. Tap to cancel return home, the X on the left. But so the drone was speeding home. I'm not sure what happened, so I just click on that and I cancel return home because I want to film a little more. So I went back to Alcatraz just for a few more minutes. I want to go closer to the ferry which brings the tourists, but I was again afraid I will hit the ground. If you guys can like and subscribe, that would be great. That will help me a lot. So yes, this is the ferry which brings the tourists from the other side. And you can see the rock and tourists wandering around. And this is some kind of tunnel. This you can fly. You can drive through this building now. I think I saw trucks going inside, and this one is industrial building on the corner. So we are still in flight. We still have 71% battery and we have 28 minutes. We've been on the island for a while and we still have 28 minutes and we still have 24 satellites. So this building with Alcatraz sign, it's been used for storage, office and workshop facility. It's been built in 1921 and the prisoners were not allowed to this building. And this is water tank again, and this is the some courtyard, one of the side of the prison. And we can see the lighthouse and we can see the ferry, the dock and the building 64 on the left. And today is used for a souvenir shop when you guys arrive. And now say max attitude reach because my drone is only set up to like 91 meters and 2100 meters we reach right now, and it shows how home, so I think it will fly home very soon. So that's where we are on the other side where the yellow H is on the right side. That's where me and my dogs are standing. So this is San Francisco Bay Area from the Alcatraz. This is the view. So now I just click return to home because I just don't want to risk. This is my first time. So again, I apologize for the video being really not stable and shaky, and I don't go close to a lot of subjects, but I was worrying that I lose the drone. And Alcatraz will be really difficult to get the drone back if I lose it on the island. There is no way I can catch the boat because all the tickets are sold out for Alcatraz. So we are flying back now to where I am. This drone is really good. We still have 25 minutes and we still have a lot of battery left. I didn't even use half of the battery, and we still have the satellites are good. Everything is good. I'm flying in normal mode 96 meters high. We are 800 meters from the pier on the right side. I wanted to fly the drone from right there, but it's closed now for public, like a lot of places in San Francisco. San Francisco is trashed, guys. This place, they closed the pier, and you can't even go with the bike on this pier. It's been shut down for a couple years now. So I have to fly the drone all the way from there where I am, with the yellow H's. And that's the museum on the right side, and Ghirardelli in the front. The white building is a museum right now, but it's also always closed. So I'm trying to I still have the drone on auto landing, but I will try to cancel it, I think, and drop it down by myself because I don't want to hit my dog. He's crazy. Yeah, so I just cancel auto landing and I try to land it by myself because also the steps are uneven and the drone will not always land at the same exact place where I started from. Again, this is my second time, so I'm having little troubles. So I got the drone safe. It came back. Almost lost the signal at the Alcatraz, but we got it back. So thank you for watching. If you guys can subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Next time I will make a video from the Hasselblad camera, which is the main camera. This video is just the screen recording, so it's not gonna be that clear, but I want to show you all the parameters and everything when I flew the drone. But next one we will make it in 4K, beautiful video of Alcatraz. I will fly the drone for at least half an hour and I will zoom it. I will go all the way down to different sections. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and please like the video. I will see you in the next episode.